I think. Hi there, Michelle Marsland and Marsland Accountants. So today was a good day for self-employed people. So the self-employment scheme came online today, 2 weeks ahead of schedule. Well done HMRC, another time to shine moment, definitely. So yeah, the scheme came online, and so that means the self-employed people can start to apply from today. If you've already checked your eligibility, you might be able to apply today or sometime over the next 4 or 5 days, all right? So if you couldn't apply today, don't worry, because they did have a few teething problems. So if you've tried today and it says you can't get in or whatever, or it says you don't recognise your password, just give it a bit of a time and check it maybe in a couple of days' time, all right? Because everything is brand new, it's been written specially, and it doesn't all work quite so well first time, and that's when they have years to do it normally. So anyway, so yeah, well done HMRC in getting it up and running. So what you need to know if you need to apply. So today we've had a few emails from HMRC over the sort of conditions you should be looking at, and also part of the accountants group I'm in. So yeah, what you need to do is make sure firstly if you're eligible. Now, you may not be eligible if more than 50% of your income at any time in the last 3 years or in the 18-19 tax year went over the 50% rule. So that could rule you out full stop. I read in one of the emails, actually, the HMRC has said there's no appeal process till at least after the 18th of May, i.e. next week, and that's because they think their figures are right, okay? But I think in the meantime, basically, if you do get in the system, claim what they're telling you to claim, as long as you don't think that's extraordinarily wrong, especially if it's too high, because they do ask you to fill out a disclaimer at the beginning, but claim what they ask you to claim and then worry about appealing later, really, to be fair, because if you start to appeal now, you just may never get your money, and if you need your money, get on with it, sort of thing. So yeah, so firstly, find out if you're eligible to claim. The best way to do this is to go onto gov.uk, put in the criteria that they're asking for, which is your UTR, your unique taxpayer reference, and your national insurance number. So you should have these on some tax return form, something like that. It's a 10-figure item, the UTR, all right? Now, what I didn't know till today is actually there's lots of different types of logins as well. So watch out, you need a personal tax login for this. So if you've got a business one, it probably won't work. So make sure you've got a personal one. But if you follow the eligibility check, it should then lead you straight into the right place to actually try. So give that a go. Seems once you're in there, it'll ask you to, are you still trading? Because that's one of the conditions. And it'll ask you to confirm that you're not fraudulently claiming, etc., etc. Then you just have to fill in some simple details, such as your email, telephone number, where you want the items to go, what bank is it, whether it's a personal bank or a business account. And they'll tell you how much it's going to be. You don't have to worry about that, all right? So they will tell you, like I said, if you want to appeal, you appeal later. Then you tick the declaration to say that everything's okay and that, you're happy with this. And then it submits a claim, and you should have your money within 6 working days, hopefully. That's really good. Well done. Time to shine once again. Now, just be warned, though, there are a lot of people out there that are taking great advantage of all these things coming online and people not knowing how to claim. And I've seen today a text which says, please follow this text from HMRC. No, it's not. It's not from HMRC. You will not claim your self-employment or any other thing from HMRC via text or email. Basically, you have to log in. That's the way they're going to do it on all of these things, is make sure that you're logging in so that you're not going to get done by some fraudulent person who's trying to get your bank details. All right, so please be aware of that. Phishing, as it's known, is well known in HMRC, and all of this stuff that's so new is really, stretching that sort of phishing side of things. So yeah, watch out, because scammers are about, that's for sure. So yeah, anyway, well done HMRC for another successful launch. Let's see if the money's in 6 days. But after the last one with the job retention scheme, I don't see why not. So yeah, time to shine.